Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn how to use the sketch, extrude, hold, fillet, and chamfer features. So open your Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part here, we'll select the top plane and make this sketch. So here will be our midpoint, okay? So the first thing that we'll make here, we will create this circle for reference with 92 millimeters of diameter and make this two construction line here for reference. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch, select the top plane, select the circle, and select the construction line type here. The diameter here is 92 millimeters. And select a line, construction line, make a construction line here and another one here. Okay. Now let's create these two circles here. The diameter of this circle is 8 millimeters and the center of this circle is coincident with this circle here. Okay. So select the circle, remove the construction line type, make a circle here with 8 millimeters and another one here with 8 millimeters. Press OK. Let me move this dimension here a little bit. Now let's create this line here, a line between the midpoint and the center of the circle. And the angle between this line and this construction line here is 27.7 degrees. So select the line, construction line, click at the midpoint and click in the center of the circle. Go to sketch dimension. The angle here is 27.7 millimeters. Degrees, sorry, press OK. Let's create the same here in the other side, but the angle here is 35.2 degrees. So select the line, click at this point, click in the center of the circle, go to sketch dimension. The angle here is 35.2 degrees. Okay. Now let's create this arc here. This arc has 54.1 millimeters of diameter. So go to create, select the arc, center point arc, click here in this point. The radius here will be 54.1 divided by 2. Remove the construction line type here. Make this arc. Okay. Now let's create this arc here with 9 millimeters of radius, and the center of this arc is in the same center of the circle, and we have this line here that is tangent with this arc and tangent with this arc. Let's create this. Go to create arc, center point arc, click at this point. The radius here is 9 millimeters. Create this and select a line, make a line here between these 2 points. Go to constraint, select tangent, make this tangent here and tangent here. Make the same on this side here. Go to create arc, center point arc, 9 millimeters of radius. Select a line, make a line between these 2 points. Constraint tangent, make this tangent here and tangent here. Now here let's create this arc here. This arc is tangent in the both sides and the radius is 60 millimeters. So go to create arc, 3-point arc, select this point here and this point here, make an arc here. The radius here is 60 millimeters of radius and it is tangent in the both sides, okay? Tangent here and tangent here. We create this, finish the sketch. We need to extrude this 5 millimeters. We'll make this extrusion here. 5 millimeters, okay? So go to extrude, select this profile, 5 millimeters, operation new body, press OK. We made this. Now let's create this circle here with 52 millimeters of diameter and extrude this 4 millimeters, okay? 9 minus 5 millimeters. So go to create a sketch, select this face, select the circle, click at this point here, 52 millimeters of diameter, finish the sketch, go to extrude, select this profile, extrude this 4 millimeters, press OK. We made this. Now let's create this cut here. This hole here has 48 millimeters of diameter. So go to hole, select this face here, click in this arc here to add your reference, and the extended here, select the all, and the diameter here, 48 millimeters, and press OK. We made this, okay? Now let's create this sketch here. Okay, let's create this. So go to create a sketch, select this face here, go to create, select the project, include project, select this face and press OK. I will hide this body a little bit. We have this. Now here the first thing that we'll make will be this arc here. This arc has 2.5 millimeters of a distance from this arc here, and it is concentric, okay? So go to create, select the arc, 3-point arc, make an arc here, go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 2.5 millimeters, but to this side, sorry. Let me make this concentric first. Let me move here. And go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 2.5 millimeters. Okay, we made this. Now let's create this arc here, because this arc has reference 90 millimeters of radius, okay? And the center of this arc is in the same center of this circle here. So let's create this. Go to create, select the arc, center point arc, click at this point, make an arc here with 9 millimeters of radius. Make another one here with 9 millimeters of radius. Okay. Now let's create this arc here that is tangent in the both sides, and the radius is 6 millimeters of radius. So go to create, select the arc, 3-point arc, click at this 2-point here, and make another arc here. Go to constraint, select the tangent, make this tangent here and tangent here, and add the dimension here is 6 millimeters of radius, and here 6 millimeters of radius. Okay. Now let's create this arc here, okay? We have a line here with 4.5 millimeters of distance between this line. It is for reference. And this arc here is tangent with this arc. Let me erase it here. It's tangent with this arc, tangent with this arc, and tangent with this line. So let's create this line first for reference. So go to modify, select offset, remove the chain selection, and select this line here. The distance here is minus 4.5 millimeters. Change this to construction line type. And now go to create arc, 3-point arc, select this point, select this arc here, and select this line. and go to constraint, select the tangent. Make this tangent with this arc, tangent with this line, and tangent with this circle here. Make the same in the other side. Offset minus 4.5 millimeters. Press OK. Construction line. Select the arc, 3-point arc. Click at this point, and click at this line here. Go to constraint tangent. Make tangent with this arc, tangent with this arc, and tangent with this line. We have this profile here. So finish the sketch. Show the body one here. We need to make a cut. This cut here has 3 millimeters of cut, because here we have 2 millimeters here, okay, and 5 millimeters here. So 5 minus 2, 3 millimeters. So let's create this cut. Go to Extrude, select this profile, minus 3 millimeters, operation cut, press OK. We made this. To finish this exercise, we need to make the fillets here. So the first fillet that we'll make will be this fillet with 3 millimeters of radius, and this fillet here with 3 millimeters of radius. It is a fillet here in this edge here, and a fillet here inside this face, okay? So let's create this. Select the fillet, select this edge and this edge here. The fillet here is 3 millimeters. Press OK. Add fillet again. Select this. Remove the chain selection. Select this edge here and this edge here. The fillet here is 3 millimeters. Press OK. Now let's add this fillet here with 1 millimeter of radius in this side, in this edge here, okay? 1 millimeter of radius. So go to fillet again, select the chain selection here, select this edge here. The fillet here is 1 millimeter of radius, and press OK. We made this. Now we have this fillet in the hole, and these two holes here with 0.5 millimeters, and in this top face here, in this face here, in the both sides with 0.5 millimeters of radius. We'll go to fillet again, this edge and this edge, 0.5 millimeters. Add selection set, select this circle here in the both sides of this circle, okay? 0.5 millimeters, and press OK. And to finish this, we have a chamfer. We have this chamfer here with 1 millimeter. This chamfer here. So let's create this. Go to modify, select the chamfer. Select this edge here. The chamfer here is 1 millimeter. Let me rotate here. Look this. And press OK. And here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.